I'm Alex Reed. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer of Trumans. We are a direct-to-consumer cleaning products company that offers a variety of cleaners, including surface cleaning products, laundry, dish, and toilet pods, as well as a number of accessories. We are a year and a half old company, so we are relatively young and we are growing. And one of the reasons that I decided to engage Sampler is because it offered us a tremendous opportunity to not only engage potential new customers, but to get customer feedback, which is critically important. And one of the primary reasons to be a direct to consumer products company is because you can grow using that feedback. It's really important now more than ever to be able to get the product into consumers' hands to try for a number of reasons. One, we're in a challenging time where physical retail is either unsafe or inaccessible to a lot of people. And so they want to be able to try products before they invest, especially online only products. And we're a new company. And so you think about the categories that Truman's participates in. These are categories that have existed for a very long time. Laundry detergents, dish detergents. There's a certain brand loyalty with a lot of consumers. And so there's a reticence to try new products. And so a trial program for us is a great way, a low risk way for a consumer to opt in, see if they like the performance, see if they like the brand, and then continue a long-term relationship with the company. Working with the Sampler team was amazing. They were responsive from the very beginning, helping us understand how the process worked and what to expect. From the time they put out our offer, we had an opt-in rate of almost 75%. So we had great customer engagement, which is super important for a new brand such as ours. And then one of the unexpected benefits was the amount of post-sampling customer engagement. We had a lot of reviews come in, and that social proof was important to us as we attract customers even outside of the Sampler ecosystem. So the team was really great to work with because they were able to move quickly and really hold our hand through the process. And we had a great experience with the company. I would recommend companies that are interested in a sampling program consider making this a core part of their commercialization strategy. And what I mean by that is developing a SKU or an offering that really can be delivered via Sampler on an ongoing basis and not a one-off campaign. Truman's is fortunate enough that our products are relatively efficient to ship. And so we were able to take existing product and make that available via Sampler. If you have a product that's larger or comes in a higher volume or quantity, definitely consider setting up a special package because the user feedback is extremely valuable, especially for young startups. And the social proof and awareness that you generate from reviews and social media and having the product in more consumers' hands is really invaluable.